Hey guys, it's Honey here. Today I'm going to be showing you another life hack of how to take a bath. So you see, first off, you gotta check if this is plugged in. And as you see, mine is plugged in now. So, and secondly, you gotta check your water thing. This is the hot one, and this is the cold one. And this is shower. Now, we're not putting on the shower because I don't like the shower. Because you're more clean when you take a bath because your body is in the bath. I don't know if that's true, but little life hack tip. So the final part is turning on your water. Okay, this is the hard part. So get this. Okay. Oh yeah, that's some water. Okay, thank you guys for watching my life hack. You're signing out.